When electricity becomes a mystery, the right multimeter turns confusion into clarity. From flickering household outlets to complex automotive circuits, today's tools are designed to give you precision, protection, and peace of mind. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 digital multimeters that deliver professional-level accuracy, smart safety, and effortless usability. Whether you're a beginner, DIY-er, or seasoned technician. To kick things off, let's start with a dependable and beginner-friendly option. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter Tester, a compact and reliable tool built for everyday electrical problem-solving. Designed with a clear blue backlit LCD screen, this multimeter delivers accurate measurements of AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance continuity, and diode testing. With a sampling speed of 2 readings per second, it provides fast, stable results that make troubleshooting feel effortless and confidence-building. What makes this tool even more appealing for everyday users is its strong focus on safety and convenience. Dual fuses protect against overload, while the durable silicone protective shell reduces the risk of electric shocks and accidental drops. Helpful features like data hold, continuity buzzer, and auto shutoff make it extremely beginner-friendly. Whether you're testing car batteries, household outlets, or electronic circuits, this multimeter offers a perfect balance of precision, durability, and ease of use. Moving up to a more advanced level of performance, the CRENOVA MS8233D delivers professional-grade capability in a surprisingly user-friendly design. With its high-resolution 6,000-count LCD display and bright backlight, this multimeter provides crystal-clear readings even in low-light environments. It accurately measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, continuity, and diode function, making it a truly versatile diagnostic tool. Taking safety and smart detection a step further, this model features a powerful non-contact voltage detection system with sound and light alarms that instantly alert you to live wires. Built to meet IEEE 3600-volt safety standards, it includes dual fuses and a shock-resistant rubber holster. This makes it an excellent choice for electricians, automotive work, and industrial troubleshooting. Stepping into true professional territory, the Fluke 117 digital multimeter is engineered for users who demand uncompromising accuracy and long-term reliability. Powered by true RMS technology, it delivers precise readings even on non-linear electrical loads. Advanced features like Volt Alert, non-contact voltage detection, and AutoVolt automatic AC/DC selection dramatically improve both speed and accuracy in real-world testing. Built for harsh job site conditions and serious electrical work, it also includes a low impedance mode that prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage. A large white LED backlight ensures perfect visibility in dark, tight spaces, while rugged construction and up to 400 hours of battery life make it a trusted companion for long workdays. This multimeter is ideal for commercial, industrial, and high-demand professional environments. Shifting the focus from electrical systems to vehicle diagnostics, the INNOVA 3340 Professional Automotive Digital Multimeter is purpose-built to uncover hidden problems inside your car's electrical network. It can test alternators, solenoids, duty cycle, wiring, switches, and breaker points with impressive precision, helping you quickly identify performance issues and electrical faults. Designed specifically for automotive specialists and serious DIY mechanics, this multimeter stands out with its included temperature probe and inductive RPM clamp, unlocking advanced engine-level diagnostics. A 10 mega-ohm input impedance protects your vehicle's ECU, while its lightweight ergonomic design makes long diagnostic sessions comfortable and efficient. Wrapping up our list with a compact and highly portable option, the KAIWEETS digital multimeter focuses on simplicity, safety, and everyday reliability. It measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, continuity, and diode functions, making it perfect for quick checks around the home or garage while still delivering stable, trustworthy results. Built with safety and convenience at the forefront, it includes double fuse protection and IECCAT 3600 volts. Certification to protect both the user and the device. The backlit display and data hold function make readings clear in dim spaces, while the included carrying case and pre-installed batteries mean it's ready to go the moment you need it. No matter your skill level, the right multimeter can turn electrical guesswork into confident decisions. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which multimeter you'd trust for your next project.